Let us see what do we have here for you guys today. Just take only what resonates. And thank you so much dahil nandito na naman kayo, especially sa aking mga returning buyers. At syempre, mga bago dyan, no? Sana magstay din kayo dito, no? Para mas marami, mas happy. So let's see what do we have here for you guys. Today, Friday. Hmm. What's happening right in here, mga babes, no? Kakaloka. It looks like the universe right in here. Tinan mo yan, no? Justice, Tower, Death, Chariot, okay? Those are major arcanas. No? Kakaloka. Parang meron ditong ginagawa sa universe dito, no? Okay? Let me continue. Wow. You have the lovers right at the center of the reading, and look at that. This is your energy. Okay, no? Diretsahin ko kayo dito sa parte na to. Okay? Kung sino man yung mga energies na makaka-resonate dito, this major arcanas together with the center of the reading lovers energy, universe. Pinipili ka ni universe para sa taong ito. Wow! Look how amazing is that. The universe is choosing you for this person, na ikaw yung maging person, itong person na ito, no? Wow! So, I do pick up, no, na kung sino man yung mga nakaka-resonate or makaka-resonate dito, wala kayong alam. With the Eight of Coins energy, you're busy doing something, you're busy here with your own life, sa trabaho mo, sa mga ganap mo sa life, sa mga eksena mo sa life, busy ka dyan, no? So it looks like, no, you want love, pero you do not put love as your number one priority right now, no? So nakikita ko dito, para sa mga makaka-resonate, no, ang ini-establish nyo dito ay ang foundation ng inyong kaperahan. Money, or you're busy with your career, maybe you want a promotion, no, or gusto mo dito na malaking kita, no, may negosyo ka man or career or both, just take how this resonates. Wow, the universe is okay. You know, the universe is very meticulous, no? Napaka-metikuloso ni universe, no? Kapagka pinagpapares-pares, no? Alam mo yung mga karugtong na mga pinky swears ng human beings, no? Hindi yan basta lang na, "Oy, ikaw dito kay ano." Hindi lang basta nagtuturo rito si universe na, "Oh, halika dito dali, lalagyan kita ng red string cord, 'yan 'no, at karugtong mo si ano." Ayan 'no. Hindi, no, 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 no. The universe is very meticulous. Pinipili nila according talaga rito, like everybody, parang kung tawagin ng tao ay personalized, customized 'no. Okay, so nakita ko rito, you are the chosen one, babe, 'no? Ikaw ang pinipili ni universe para maging katuwang or para makasama nitong tao na 'to for life. So nakikita natin yun dito, very evident, 'no? So we have here para sa bottom of the deck, Seven of Coins, Moon Energy, Ace of Cups, definitely. So tapos na yung reading, iligpit na natin. Niligpit, hindi sinabi yung ibang detalye. So, hi and hello there, collective. My name is Yan. Welcome, newbies, no, new subscribers. And sa aking returning buyers, maraming salamat, no? Kasi lagi kayong nandyan. No, iba 24/7. Pwedeng matulog, guys. Thank you everyone. At yung nawala tayo dito na gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, everybody welcome. Pwede rin pong iswitch yung mga roles dahil possible magkapalit-palit kasi general reading ito. And at the end of the day, lahat ay may free will na pinyong gamitin anytime, anywhere. At hindi importante ang zodiac signs. Yan kasi ito ay for all. Okay? You could be dealing with any zodiac signs. So, timeless din tayo dito, puwedeng nangyari na, sa iba nangyayari na, sa iba ay mangyayari pa lang. Kaya naman, just take only what resonates. But you are the chosen one. Nagdesisyon na rito si universe, ang angel guides, 'no, ang mga, spirit guides, ang mga guardians ninyo rito, 'no, para maisagawa itong plano na 'to, 'no, with this justice energy, Three of Coins right in here. Pinag-isipan itong mabuti ni universe, 'no, dito sa magiging kapareha mo. So, nakita ko rito, 'no, that the universe is someone who chose you guys, 'no, because ikaw yung nakikita nilang very suited for this person here, no? You have the power to transform tower energy. Hindi ka magiging transformers or hindi ka dito magiging si Voltes 5 na wala ka ditong bubuuing mga ganyan mga babes, no? Pero meron kang kakayanan, 'no? Meron ka rito nung kakayanan na baguhin at i-transform itong tao na ito. So, definitely this is someone here who is opposite sa'yo, okay? Because the universe is seeing you as someone who's very strong-spirited, yung mind mo very strong rin, okay? This energy, the one destined for you is someone who's soft, someone who's weak. Ay, miss yan. Sabihin ako lang magtatanggol diyan, baka mapagod naman ako. Baka ako lang mag-alaga diyan, miss yan. Baka, ba't naman gano'n? Yan oh, wag kang ano diyan. Ang ibig sabihin nito mga babes, 'no, alam niyo naman sa human world, 'no, normal yung pagiging weak. 'Di ba? Kasi itong person na 'to, hindi siya as in talaga duwag or nanginginig na lang bigla kasi natatakot sa mga bagay-bagay na hindi 'no, tsaka aalagaan mo 'to, hindi 'no, aalagaan ka nito. It's just that, okay, etong tao na 'to 'no, meron pa siya ritong mga unfinished na mga contracts na kailangan niya ritong tapusin. Parang mga karmic debts ba yun, miss, 'yan? Yes, parang mga gano'n, pero iba yung klase, 'no? So, meron pa siya ritong mga tatapusin na mga contracts, 'no? Kaya maaaring maging mahina siya, 'no, na matapos ang lahat ng ito. Kailangan niya rito ng malakas na suporta, malakas 'no, na parang masasandalan 'no, dahil dadaan siya rito sa mga pagsubok. Teka lang miss 'yan, so parang sinasabi mo na 'yang tao na 'yan may bad karma siya gano'n 'no? Hindi bad karma. Meron siyang mga parang mga hindi natapos na daanan ng mga pagsubok nung mga past lives niya na kailangan niyang tapusin na daanan ngayon, in this lifetime period, okay? Are you getting my point, sweetheart, 'no? At yun ay marami-rami pa, okay? At hindi lang yun madadali ay hindi yun mga madadali, I mean, na mga pagdadaanan. So, kailangan niya rito ng tao na malakas ang isip, malakas ang loob, 'no? At tao rito na magiging suporta niya, Four of Wands energy at yun ay walang iba kundi ikaw, yes, 'no, dahil nakikita natin dito mga babes 'no, na malakas kayo rito, na kayo yung klase ng energy rito 'no, na literal na palabarn, pero sweet inside. Very caring and very nurturing din kayo at nakikita ni universe rito ang potensyal 'no, na matutulungan niyo siya rito na matapos ang lahat ng mga contracts na ito 'no, dahil nakikita ni universe 'no, na ikaw yung karapat-dapat sa lahat ng mga, tao 'no, na pinili nila 'no, for this person. And ikaw din kasi ang type niya at lumabas rin kasi mga babes dito, if you have here someone na parang may parang checklist ka or check boxes ka when it comes to potential, spouse 'no, nakikita natin dito na lumalabas din na halos siya rin yung type mo. So, talagang pasok sa banga 'no. Hindi lang siya yung magbe-benefit sa'yo, ikaw din, okay. So, you are dealing here with someone 'no, who's very kind-hearted, very gentleman, gentlewoman right in here, very loving, very caring, and napaka-understanding 'no. Plus, kung ano yung type mo sa isang person, whether that's physically or not, okay. heavy, pasok sa banga 'no, itong person na 'to 'no, sa hinahanap mo. Kaya kayo rito ang napili rin para sa kanya dahil ikaw rin pinipili mo siya. Well, okey, sa unang beses pa nga ng inyong pagkikita rito maaaring may maramdaman ka ng kakaiba. But you feel like that this person here is someone you're familiar with agad-agad 'no. You feel like magaan sa pakiramdam 'no, na makita at makasama itong tao na 'to 'no. Well, definitely that is already a big sign that that person is your karugtong ng red string chord mo. So, definitely someone you're destined to hold hands like this. Hawak kamay by Ying Constantino. And definitely, okay, someone here, no, that you will share half of your life with. So I do see that you will be this person's light into the darkness na pagdadaanan niya rito. I do see that you will help him or her conquer everything and release finally all the burdens that kailangang i-release, no? And success will comes next and victories na sunod-sunod for the both of you. A lot of happiness ang nakikita natin dito sa inyong relationship. I'm seeing that you will be so happy into this person's connection or sa loob ng relationship ninyo ng taong ito, itong person na 'to, definitely walang duda, okay? This person will love you as much as you love him or her. So, nakita natin dito mga babes, no, that with the Seven of Coins energy, no, you are actually not seeing love right now as your top priority, but you will definitely feel right away that familiarity, that comfortable feeling, no, that you've already wanted to be in a relationship. Okay? Pero dito sa tao na 'to, I'm seeing you realizing that you want to invest your time, that you wanna show efforts for this person, 'no? And with the Moon card energy, it looks like your emotions here, no, will just go with the flow, 'no? Move according sa gusto ni universe na mangyari rito sa inyong connection ng taong ito? Well, this is someone here, no, na hindi ang ex mo, but definitely a new love, Ace of Cups energy, no, that is definitely the one destined for you. Look at that, no? Look at how this two birds right in here, no? Okay, drive together. These are birds, no, that also indicates marriage, no. I'm seeing also toes. Look at this, no. We have here two cats as well. You could be pet lovers but doesn't have to be. Look at that, yung mga buntot, no, ay naging hugis puso rito. So definitely, no, I do see that both of you will be in harmony, no, in the same rhythm, no. So I do pick up that this is the kind of partnership na talagang magiging solid, no? Like a long and lasting love. Yeah, you will find each other, no, na kailangan niyong isa't isa. Okay? As you move into your life's journey as a couple. So yeah, marami-rami sa inyo hindi niyo pa yan nakikilala pero yung iba naka-connect na kayo sa kanya. So if you knew someone that you feel so attracted to, no, na marami lang siyang dinidil ngayon ng mga problema, then definitely maybe that's already the sign, no? But for others, this person here is not yet arriving in your life, but soon this person will, and makaka-feel ka ng instant attraction dito sa person na 'to, or if not instant attraction, you will feel familiar with this person, like ang gaan lang ng feeling when this person's around or when this person here is talking to you. Just like that, no? So, for the initials, yes, we do have. Unang-una dyan, no, capital letter J, no? Another capital letter B as in boy, another capital letter C as in cat, no? And other letters are E, O, N, M, R, and last but not the least, H. So yeah, these are all the messages. Thank you again, and Rihanna on me. 사랑해요, love and light. 안녕.